familia ya Nyawusira John Mburu mungi na Florence na wana wao na bajukuru bao abamate baga igase ito Bonchari Bombure abairi na wasani mwarura satambe wairire bia. Amjambo, asante. Umekaribishwa sana wale ambao wametoka nje ya Bonchari kuja hapa katika hii safari ya mwisho ya mzee John Mburu. John Mburu has a strange name. One time he told me when he walked under Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, they were in a meeting and Mzee Jomo Kenyatta appeared to be upset. And they addressed him as follows: Enye and Wamuranga. And they went on and on and on, and John was just looking at him. Akavoli, you go no mwete. Do you hear me? John said, no, I don't. So Akajoni garo munto omumwenu because of the name. But John is the legend. John is the enigma. John is the elder that we have lost. He is the hero that we have lost in this community. It's a Bonchari, it's a Usi, it's a Kenyoreke Yonsupi. John Igarengo Montobumalembe, Rokuwa Tanyawa Antobonsupi, Rokuweka Wanakinyoruba Chamo. John Tawata Wakora Wonde, any funniness, cockiness, enters in new Tawata Kentokegune Kiwa. John was a straight man. Itenye genete singa kikia chomo ye dio kenya saa kumurangira ngoro moyo ye. John will carry the sare ye. The sare yo wait ya. Mwibire. Ikara kule sare yo akaire ya akawere. The sare yo kukuya. Antomonsi nabakwe. Bien, Amina mwebire katikisimu. So John na nyorotinara mwanyarantare ubukwayo kwa baira. John no muntu orangareti abanakinyo baye ekanisa yanse kwa basaya nyemuru yari nyake marongebere kerere tukubare ko yarota. Niyo tange nyake komia yari osito munyatano angarigete gutara tukubata na se kanisa yiyo. Tony Garengo Masani Manasana, we can recognize it. So Okarakwa was a singular distinction in the public service. He was the first director for life development in Nyanza province on merit. Akakola Sengia, Akaimuke Kenyugetero, Akaimuke Antabaitubuya. Togo Savera, Omoyo John, Otimoke, Asom and Beigo. Humanitenga Kiamatanga, we don't like to affront the dead. We want to speak kind of them when we are recognizing them. Maybe for the fear that they will report us to St. Peter. Lakini, we are not exaggerating. We can see from his family. No mature. Governor and your team, karibu sana, iganse ino, Bonchari, Mbono Corona, Anomoyua, and you pass here every day. I'm not the expert to address you on the specific issues. We will address you on the specific issues. But I join the MCS on the outstanding issues probably that we will see completed here in the Bonchari through your office. On my part, I'll support you. I'll work with you so that the Korama can and the way to Bonchari to and we love everybody. We don't like sarcastic. We just want peace. Namaskani. Wangoiga, Nibegato Mpango wa bursaries form. Form it that they do in a very fair and transparent manner so that the Kromatanya will form. Tikrumano or Rumataka again in school. There are as many as more than 10,000 students when you're forming it when you're in a school. You're going to care where education sector, and make sure that you mind. They say on one hand, education is for free. One worker in this school, even the capitation is not enough. So I'm urging the Ministry of Education and the government at large to review whether indeed education is free or we need to pay money. There were announcements from very senior officers the next day on the school. It's not fair, it's not right. What can I? I'm committed to the school Cheto. Just recently I launched over 30 projects for a school education infrastructure development. Soon you will see this completed, and so we are asking that the community will ensure the work is done is good and that is fit for the purpose it is intended. Esa jifomu ikiye pasa kimuranje abamukona bonto kana woni mokola jifomu chinyinge mwira bisiane tiko bokoro obo tige fomu ya ni buno moyoboli no mwana ayibono ngaigwalo si ibagelyo kuira ko ko fomu emeronge bere emerongene. We don't encourage that. We think those are loopholes for lying and cheating and wanting to defraud the fund. We don't encourage that. We discourage it completely. The cost of living is so high. We said the finance bill was wrong. They ignored us. We said the tax is too high. They ignored us. Said the affordable housing program is wrong. They ignored us. But chickens have come home to roost. You can see from the court decisions, each one of them is being struck out. So we're asking the government to go back to the drawing board and consult widely all sides of the aisle so that we can have a consensus. The colleague in the Kuwatamachiko, in the Kuwate Katiba. Your Excellency, Bwana Simba, I remember last year we were thinking of fetching him for recognizing him as one of the heroes during the Mashujaa Day. But I don't think all is lost. We can still honor him posthumously. Sindio? Posthumously, na watokono Muga Kamburu in the future events ya Mashujaa. Because indeed, he's a hero. He's not a hero, he's the hero. The hero. We recognize him as such. Yamono sana, Morembe, Obosomo Choyo, Auribaja Watoa Pole, Muenesi Mwagenda, Esamuaru Mogen no Morembe, Sawa Sesenia, we meet you again, please come and be seeing us. Ikasto Munginanga, Moeli Verera, Moremi Ekowera, our partner they have lived with for more than 40 years, 50 years, it's a big blow. So she needs to have all the comfort and the peace that we can render to her. So without further ado, I would like to invite His Excellency Simbarati, the Governor, Kisii County.